I'm going to quickly show you how I use the different accessories to deep clean and sanitize my house. You can use regular cold water, but I prefer to use distilled water to minimize limescale buildup in the tank. I use the large nylon brush to clean kitchen countertops, tile, and walls. Power cord is a little less than 5 feet long. There are 6 different power levels, and you can easily see them on the LED display. To clean countertops and appliances, I use level 3. With a full tank of water, depending on what power level you use, you can get 25 minutes to an hour of continuous steam time. It's really simple to switch out the attachments. Here I'm showing you how the small nylon brush slides and twists on to the steam trigger, and it heats up in just 15 seconds. At the 6 power level, this brush easily removes even heavy-baked grease and grime from my oven top. To remove really stubborn stains from my burner grates, I switch to the copper steel brush. The bent nozzle is perfect for getting dried grease off the crevices behind my oven. The rubber wiper strip slides on to the iron brush, and then it's great to clean the glass from windows and mirrors. The small scraper helps remove even burnt-on, crusty debris. With a full tank, this weighs 7 pounds, and with a really nice wide handle, it's very easy to carry it around your house. The cleaner also comes with 2 comfortable rubber gloves that have texturized material on the palm of them. To clean my upholstered furniture or clothing, I slip the microfiber cover over the ironing brush and then set the power level at 2. When I'm finished with cleaning, there's a plug at the bottom of the device that can be used to drain any remaining water from the tank. Thanks for watching. You can buy this using the links below. And if you thought this review was helpful, please click like and subscribe to my channel for more reviews. If you already have this item, leave a comment and let me know what you think about it.